nó là chỉ khai một thôi nè. Nó chung độc nó
Hey, babe. What?
I need to go ask them if they have a second battery in this camera.
As well, why don't you just call?
I did. I tried just now. It didn't answer me.
You call B? Did you try B?
I would have called B. I called both.
I really did not want to walk back down. Get! Yoshi!
You think they can hear you?
They're just trying to ignore me. You want to see watch the camera?
Oh, what the camera? When they do like a timeout or something like that, stop it.
How do you stop it?
Push this button right here.
Wait, push what button?
That button.
There's button?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hold on to the camera though while you press it though. Don't push it forward. In case it might tip over, you might tip it over.
Just stay right there, okay? Just for now. Hello, we're camcording. Let's go. What? Don't.
Just put it back up.
Exactly, what you get.
I don't need it though. It's so annoying.
Do as I say and I'll give you what you want.
You give me what?
Oh, good, you're here. Can you hold this?
No.
Okay, too then. Do you want to come sit next to you and shit? Now hold it for both of you.
What? Oh, okay. You good?
Can I
shit.
have some? What? It's fine, baby. It's fine. Can I get some, Andy? Can I get some?
You said no. You say no to me all the time when I say, can I get some?
Yeah, get some food.
Want me some food?
Yeah, that's for sure.
Want some? Eat at the tent? You want to eat at the tent or bring it back here?
We'll bring it back here. So I should have no.
I kind of want to watch. But then it'll be hard to eat.
Which tent? That tent?
No, I'm talking about the tents.
Oh, yeah.
You want to watch this first? We'll watch this first. I'm not that hungry actually.
I'm not going with you guys. Yes.
The butt swing.
Okay, right now? Wait, what?
Sneeze?
Where you at?
Okay. She said turn the camera off. Should I turn the camera off?
Well, she said turn it off, so turn it off.
By the girls volleyball.